Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a long video, but yeah. So, I got a bowling ball for Christmas. A new bowling bag. So, I wanted to show you my arsenal right now. So, there's this pocket right here, a pocket right here, and another pocket right here. Alright, I'm going to show you my arsenal now. Right now, I got new bowling shoes. Yeah, I got these. I do have a bowling thing right now, but I don't have it with me. But the next video I will have it with me. Alright, here is my new arsenal. Alright, so I have my new bowling ball named Storm Ice. I got this for my Christmas this year. Got brand new, 10 pounds. And this is my new ball. And this one too. This is a 10 pounder. Yeah. So, yeah. One more thing I have right now. I have this. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.